Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to view, add text, draw, rotate PDF file without using any PDF viewer in Windows, Mac and Linux computer. So without any more delay, let's begin. So here we are not going to use any PDF viewer software to view any PDF files. So here we are going to use a software named as Microsoft Edge, which is actually a web browser, not a PDF viewer, but we can view it. So Microsoft Edge web browser is almost available for Windows, Mac and Linux computers also. So if your computer is using any one of these operating system, then you can follow this tutorial. So right now you can see on my desktop screen I have one PDF file, as you can see here. So what I will do, I'll just right click on this PDF file and I will just select open with, and here I will gonna select where Microsoft Edge. So just click on it. Now it will open the PDF file. So here you can see my complete PDF file, right? So on the above toolbar you can see here a tons of options. So here you can see here the plus is a zoom and just near to it is a rotate. You can rotate it. You can see we can rotate the PDF files, and you can see here option add text. If you want to add a text, you can just click on it and you can just select a location where you want to add a text, say testing, and you can drag it anywhere you like. You can change the text colors, you can increase the size, decrease the size, increase the text spacing and decrease the text spacing, or you can delete it. So if you are done with your adding your text, then just click on any blank area, it will be added. And just next to it is a draw. As you can see here, draw, you can select a pen or pencil and you can select the different colors. You can increase the thickness of these colors and you can write anything whatever you like. So and just near to it is a highlight, so you can just select the highlight and you can click on this and you can select a different colors. You can increase the thickness of this highlighting brush and you can see your text only highlight. You can just turn on this option also. So say I want to highlight some text, so say I just want to highlight this, so I'll just color it. So you can see we can highlight also, and if you want to erase also, you can still do this. You can take this eraser and you can remove this highlights or anything that you have just drawn or write or anything. So you can do almost erase, highlight, draw, add text, even you can rotate using this Microsoft Edge web browser. So definitely a very good software which comes preloaded with every Windows computer. And if you're using a Linux, then still you can download this Microsoft Edge web browser to view, add text, draw, rotate PDF files on your respective Mac and Linux computers also to do this same tricks. So if you never known about this very useful features available in the Microsoft Edge web browser, then definitely you should give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.